In this video, I'll introduce the Boole object or Boole NURBS that you'll be using in the flashlight project. So I have just a sphere and a cube, a sphere embedded in a cube. It's made a thin cube and a sphere inside it. And here we are in the object manager. So let's hit the NURBS drop down and choose Boole. That's short for Boolean. You can look that up you can Google it. So anyway, I got the Boole object, sphere, cube. Let me click, hold, and drag, put sphere as a child of Boole. And then I'm going to click, hold, and drag and put cube as a child of Boole. And I'll back up so you can see what happens. Okay, I'm going to drop the cube in there, and lo and behold, it cut out the shape of the sphere. So if you look over here in the object manager, the way to think about this, if you have a Boole, it's cube minus sphere is what you have. Now I can choose the sphere, and I can, for example, decrease the number of segments, and I can make that cutout jagged if I wanted to, or increase it a whole bunch and make it nice and smooth. Also, again, the hierarchy makes a difference. It's top minus bottom. So I can take the sphere and put it up on top of the cube. They're both in the Boole object. So check out what happened here. So now that's sphere minus the cube. Okay, so and again, these are right now they're parametric objects, so I can select the cube, and if I wanted to, I could increase the size of the Z. Whoa, see, I went too much. I could increase the size of the Z, make a huge gap, decrease the width of the Z along the Z, and decrease the gap, and so on and so forth. Know that you can also do this with extruded splines. So in the flashlight project, you'll do something similar to this, but instead of using parametric primitives, you'll be using extruded splines.